right? So let's say I want to buy a used car from one of you, right? And I assume the quality or the price of a car is from 0 to 10. So if I don't know which one has a good car, which one has a lemon, so what I would do is to offer the average, all right? So the average price is 5. So I make an announcement in class, I want to buy a used car from you, and if you want to sell, please go to my office after class. So after the lecture, when I go back to my office, I will see half of you, right, listening outside queuing outside my office, right? But at that time, I will revise my expectation because I'm not that stupid, right? So those who line outside my office, their car value must be less than 5, otherwise they will not sell. That's the average selection, all right? Unless you want to get an A, otherwise you will not sell a car with a value of 10 to me at a price of 5, all right? So therefore, when I make that, I have that in mind, I will revise my expectation. Okay, I'm sorry, I will not buy from you at 5. So this time I will only pay $2.5. That's my expected value. So after that, half of you will leave the queue and then you keep your car. And then I revise again because who stay in the line must have a value less than 2.5. So again, I would take the average 1.25 again and again. So that's the average selection issue. Similar thing. All right. So in the stock market, we also have that. That is, if there's someone with some private or better information, then they would take advantage of. Now they don't call it the specialist. In the US, they call it the market maker or designated market maker, but it's the same thing, the specialist. All right, okay? So what the company can do to increase liquidity? Now, one thing they talk about is the stock split. Now, other they are very simple. That is, try to sell stock in the internet, try to have dividend reinvestment plan. That is, you do not receive dividends, you receive stock instead. Try to lower the cost of trading, all right? And the most important, actually the question, the textbook want to emphasize is full disclosure of information. That is, a corporate managers, you should disclose information to everyone. So everyone should have the same information, all right? So if everyone has the same information as a market maker, I don't need to worry about some informal trader, all right? So I don't need to widen the bid-ask spread in order to cover the cost, the loss from the informal trader, all right? Because the bid-ask spread is the cost of trading. Think about it. If the bid-ask spread is very big, let's say $10 at 20. So that means when you buy the stock, you pay $20. You sell it immediately, you get only 10. So you would not buy this stock even for nothing, right? You do nothing, you just buy and sell immediately. It costs you half of the investment, $10. So this stock is illiquid. So one way to measure liquidity is look at the bid-ask spread. Those companies with very liquid, their bid-ask spread is very, very small. Usually 1 tick or 2 tick. So a tick is the minimum move in the stock price. All right, so 1 tick or 2 tick. Okay. Now, another thing they talk about is a stock split. The stock split can increase the liquidity of a share. Actually, there's